This is part 2 of G63 Multi-Function Wireless Charger. Here I'll show you how to use this as a music box. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person, but if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. When it's connected to outside power, that is, when it is charging, there will be a red glow just below the USB-C charging port right here. Hope you can see. Once it is fully charged, this red glow will go away. So let's connect it to Bluetooth and listen to this music coming from the speaker itself. Select G63. Once connected, it'll beep. Request permission for messages. Once connected, shows battery level as well. Using audio from YouTube library due to copyright issues. Using play pause keys for play pause. Can control volume using arrow buttons. Long press right to increase, long press left to decrease. Short press right to jump forward to the next song. Short press left to go backwards to the previous song. This is how to put the SD or memory card, TF card in. Better insert it while the power is off. Can control volume using arrow buttons. Long press right to increase, long press left to decrease. Short press right to jump forward to the next song. Short press left to go backwards to the previous song.
Play by TF card.
This is the auxiliary mode. I'll connect the phone via this cable. Auxiliary mode has the priority over others. Bluetooth will only work if auxiliary and TF SD card is not connected.
AUX mode.
Can control volume using arrow buttons. Long press right to increase, long press left to decrease. Auxiliary has no forward or reverse function. No way it can be controlled over an audio cable. Maximum volume level is V30. With all that, guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Have a nice and a lovely day. See you next time. Bye.